Hello everyone, my name is Eufemio Dalagan and I'm excited to introduce our team members. We have Russell Ramos and Kenneth Conge who will be presenting our BMI calculator project. Our BMI calculator project built in Python calculates an individual's BMI based on their height and weight through a simple user-friendly interface. It, it, it includes features like data validations and error handling to ensure accuracy and shameless user experience. We will now walk you through the code and explain the different components and how they work together to calculate the BMI. The code is well structured and follow best practices, making it easy to understand and maintain.
Here's our line-by-line explanation on how the program works. For the first line, this line defines a function called calculate BMI that takes two parameters which are the weight and height. For the second line, this line calculates the BMI using the formula BMI is equal to weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. For the return BMI, this line returns the calculated BMI or the value of the calculated BMI. Next line, this line defines a function called determine BMI category that takes one parameter which is the BMI. For the condition, this line checks if the BMI is less than 18.5. If it is, the person is underweight. Next, this line checks if the BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9. If it is, the person is normal weight. Next, this line checks if the BMI is between 25 and 29.9. If it is, the person is overweight. For the else line, this line checks if the BMI is 30 or more. If it is, the person is obese. Next, this line gets the user's weight in kilograms. Next line, this line gets the user's height in meters. Next, this line calculates the user's BMI. Next, this line determines the user's BMI category. Next, this line prints the user's BMI with two decimal places. Next, this line prints the user's BMI category.
We have here a few examples to demonstrate how our program works. If the user enters a weight of 56 kg and a height of 1.74 meters, your BMI is 18.20 and you are categorized as underweight. If the user enters of 63 weight kilogram and a height of 1.84 meters, your BMI is 18.61. So your category is normal weight. If the user enters of 78 kilograms and a height of 1.66 meters, your BMI is 28.31. So you are overweight. If you are weight of 110 kilograms and your height of 1.74, your BMI is 36.33. So you are obesity.
So now that we know what the functions and purposes of this code are, we will explore the benefits and advantages of this code. First, simple and easy to use. The code is straightforward and understandable, making it simple to use and integrate into other applications. Second, accurate calculations. The code calculates BMI using the standard formula, which is guarantees accurate results. The code not only calculates the BMI, but also categorizes underweight, normal, overweight, or obese, giving a more complete picture of the outcome. Next is flexible input. The code acknowledges weight and height in various units, for example, kilograms, and meters. Reusability, the code is modular, making it simple to reuse in other applications or projects. Now, examples of application scenarios. Applications related to health and fitness, this algorithm can be utilized in these applications to give a users a precise estimate of their BMI and associated category. Next is medical research. The code can be used to examine the correlation between BMI and other health outcomes in medical research. Next is customized advice based on the determined BMI category. The code can be used to offer tailored advice for managing weight and adapting a healthy lifestyle. And that's it for our project in BC1DA for Sir Darwin. Thank you.